Hello, good afternoon all of you. Last lectures we have seen that some part of the lessons, the Androclus and the lion. Let's take some revisions. I just revised some part. Androclus was, I told you about Androclus. This Androclus was a very kind, gentle and courteous man. He had a cruel masters. And this Androclus was slave. All the slaves were forced to work for their masters. Means that they had no freedoms. They always had to do for their masters. They were bound by law to obey their masters. Androclus was very irritated. He just wanted to go from there. One day he got that opportunity. This Androclus was escaped from the clutches of his cruel masters one day. He went to the forest. He was not afraid of any wild beast. He just only wandered there in the forest. One day he was wandering in the forest. That time he saw a lion. This was Androclus. He saw a lion, and that times when first time he saw a lion, he was just little bit afraid of the lion. And his first reaction was to turn away and flee, means that run away from there. But after some moment, that particular lion looked in a great pain. That's why this Androclus went there to check that lion. He moved very cautiously towards the lion step by step. When he went there, that times this lion was moaned and whimpered, means that his eyes seemed to say that please help me. Now today we will see the next ones. We are going to see the next page number 8, the first passage. All of you see in the book. Androclus took the paw in his left hand. Deftly he pulled out the thorns, then tearing a piece of his own clothing, the kind man bound up the lion's injured paw. To his surprise and wonder, the lion then licked his arm as if to show gratitude. This Androclus went near to the lion. He saw that his paw was injured, and that's why, what did he do there? That times this Androclus took the paw in his left hand and he pulled out the thorn from this lion's paw. And he tore up a piece of his own clothes and bound up the lion's injury. Then this lion was very happy. He was satisfied. Then the lion licked his arms as like to showing a gratitude. See the next one. Androclus remained with the lion till it could walk again. He would hunt in the forest and share his food with the helpless beast. Every day he would clean and dress the lion's wound. Soon the lion was able to move about. Many times it followed Androclus wherever he went. We can see that Androclus bound up the lion's injury, and that lion licked his arms to showing a gratitude. And from that day, Androclus remained with the lion till it could walk again. आता अँड्रॉक्लसने त्याला एवढी मदत केली, त्याच्या पायामधला जो काटा होता तो पंजामधला काटा काढला, बाउंड अप स्वतःचा जे काही स्वतःचे कपडे फाडून त्याची ती इंजुरी होती, इंज्युअर्ड पॉ जो होता, जखमी झालेला पंजा होता तो बांधला. देन आफ्टर्स वेन जस्ट द लायन कुड वॉक अगेन, दॅट टाइम दिस अँड्रॉक्लस रिमेन विथ इट. त्याच्याबरोबर तो राहिला जोपर्यंत तो चालू शकत नाही. दॅट टाइम्स what would he do for that lions? He would hunt in the forest and share his food with the helpless beast. This Androclus went to the forest and hunt for that particular lion, and both of them share the foods, the hunting foods. Every day he could clean and dress the lion's wound. Every day, each and every day, that Androclus clean and dress the lion's wound. Lion's wound, we can say that त्यात जी काही तो लायन्स होता त्याची जी जखम होती, पायाची जखम, त्या पंजाची जखम, प्रत्येक दिवशी तो अँड्रॉक्लस क्लीन करायचा, स्वच्छ करायचा, ड्रेसिंग करायचा, एक प्रकारे त्याच्यावर तो उपचार करायचा. हा दररोजचा त्याचा दिनक्रम चाललेला असायचा. Soon the lion was able to move about, and soon that times लवकरच that lion was able to move about. Lion can move here and there. See the next one. In the meanwhile, Androclus' masters had complained to the authorities that his slave Androclus had run away. In the meanwhile, and that times, particular in that, we can say that in the meanwhile म्हणजे त्या दरम्यान जे काही चालू होतं त्या दरम्यान, this Androclus master had complained. Androclus masters complained to the authorities, that having some authorities, that masters complained about Androclus, that Androclus had run away, and that's why authorities that sent some soldiers in the direction of to capture the Androclus. They searched for him high and low but couldn't find him. At last they came to the forest where Androclus lived. You can see here the Androclus had run away. It's given as a had run away. It's given as a past perfect tense. Soldiers were sent in all direction to capture Androclus. Were sent is given as a was. Where plus V3 is given, means this one is a passive construction, passive voice of past tense. A simple past tense, passive voice is given as a simple past tense. That doesn't given here a by authorities, not is, this one is not given here. आता त्यावेळेस काय झालं, त्या अँड्रॉक्लसनी ज्या काही ऑथॉरिटीज होत्या त्यांच्याकडे कंप्लेंट केली की दॅट अँड्रॉक्लस हॅड रन अवे, तो पळून गेलेला आहे. दॅट्स वाय द ऑथॉरिटीज सेंट सम सोल्जर्स. मग सोल्जर्स वर सेंट इन ऑल डिरेक्शन्स. ही सोल्जर्स पाठवली गेली वेगवेगळ्या डिरेक्शनमध्ये टू कॅप्चर द अँड्रॉक्लस, त्या अँड्रॉक्लसला पकडण्यासाठी. दे सर्च फॉर हिम व्हेरी हाय अँड लो. हाय अँड लो, हाय अँड लो मीन्स दॅट वर खाली का नाही. इज वी कॅन से दॅट खूप एक प्रकारे दे सर्च मच, भरपूर कसून त्यांनी त्यांचा शोध चालू ठेवला. बट कुडंट फाइंड इट, पण त्यांना सापडलं का नाही. वन डे ॲट लास्ट दे केम टू द फॉरेस्ट वेअर अँड्रॉक्लस लिव्ड. ॲट लास्ट दे वेंट टू द फॉरेस्ट, आणि ते त्या फॉरेस्टमध्ये गेल्याने त्यांना अँड्रॉक्लस सापडला. See the next one. It so happened that Androclus had gone out alone that day while the lion rested near the cave. Both of them fell into the hands of soldiers. The soldiers took them back to the city. They put Androclus in chains in a prison. The lion was caged. When that particular soldiers went to the forest where the Androclus lived, that times that soldiers captured the Androclus and the lion also. They went near to the cave, and both of them fell into the hand of the soldiers. Both of them means that Androclus and a lion. This Androclus captured them and they took them back to the city. And the Androclus was in a chains in a prison, and the lion was caged. मग त्या ठिकाणी त्या गेल्यानंतर ते दोघंही त्या केवजवळ, त्या गुहेजवळ दोघंही सापडतात. अँड्रॉक्लस पण आणि तो जो काही लायन असतो तो पण त्यांना सापडतोय, सिंह सापडतोय. आणि ते सोल्जर्स त्या दोघांनाही पकडतात आणि सिटीमध्ये बॅक टू द सिटी, दे टूक देम बॅक टू द सिटी, आणि त्या शहरामध्ये ते घेऊन येतात. आणि त्या अँड्रॉक्लसला त्या याच्यामध्ये तुरुंगामध्ये बांधून, साखळीने बांधून तुरुंगात टाकलं जातं. अँड द लायन वॉज केज अँड दॅट लायन ऑल्सो, त्या पिंजऱ्यामध्ये लायनला, सिंहाला पिंजऱ्यामध्ये केज कोंडलं जातं. द लायन वॉज केज्ड. वॉज केज इज गिवन हिअर अगेन पॅसिव्ह कन्स्ट्रक्शन. द लायन वॉज केज्ड बाय सोल्जर्स. बाय इज नॉट गिवन हिअर. दिस वन इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. देर इज प्रत्येक वेळेस बायचा वापर केला जातोच असं नाहीये. सी द नेक्स्ट वन. इन दोज डेज पीपल who were found to be guilty of the serious crime were fed to the wild beast as punishment. Running away from one's masters was the very serious crime at that time. Therefore, Androclus too was to be thrown to the wild beast. What happened then? That time, in those days, what was the punishment for these particular guilty persons? The punishment was they have to fed to the wild beast. जंगली जी काही बिस्ट असतात किंवा जंगली जी प्राणी असतात त्यांच्या तोंडी दिलं जातं. अँड रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम द वन्स मास्टर वॉज अ व्हेरी सिरियस क्राईम ॲट दॅट टाइम. आणि मालकापासून पळून जाणे, आपल्या मालकापासून जो काही पळून जातो तो दॅट वॉज अ व्हेरी सिरियस क्राईम ॲट दॅट टाइम. आणि त्यावेळेस तर खूपच हा सिरियस क्राईम असायचा. Therefore, Androclus too was to be thrown to the wild beast. आणि दॅट्स वाय, त्यामुळे अँड्रॉक्लसला सुद्धा काय करण्यात येणार होतं, त्या जंगली प्राण्याच्या तोंडी देण्यात येणार होतं. दिस वॉज द लेसन्स. We have to see in the page number 8, the first to the last paragraph. There are given here some, we can see that some hard words, so glossary words. Deftly means that skillfully and or quickly. First, margin questions are given. How did Androclus nurse the lion's wound? Nurse, we can say that उपचार कसा केला. How did? Did is given a past tense is given here. How did Androclus nurse the lion's wound? त्याने उपचार कसा केला? That particulars, Androclus, you have to write about from here. Androclus took the paw in his left hand. He pulled out the thorns. Then he tearing a piece of his own clothes and bound up the lion's injured paw. As well as what did he just nurse the lion's wound? Every day he would clean and dress the lion's wound. And thus Androclus, he remained with the lion till it could walk again. In this way he nursed. You can write the answers very perfectly. In this way the Androclus nursed, N-U-R-S-E-D, because did is given here, you have to write here that verbs D. Nurse the lion's wound. In this way, जसं आपण मराठीमध्ये उत्तराचा शेवट करतो तसं इंग्लिशमध्ये उत्तराचा शेवट केला जातो. अशा प्रकारे अँड्रॉक्लसनी त्या लायन्स त्या सिंहाची जी जखमेवर उपचार केले, या पद्धतीने तुम्हाला लिहायचं असतं. सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वेअर डीड द सोल्जर्स पुट अँड्रॉक्लस अँड द लायन आफ्टर देअर कॅप्चर्स? सोल्जर्स आफ्टर देअर कॅप्चर, after their capture, we can say that where did the soldiers put Androclus and the lion after their captures? In this way you have to write the answer. The soldiers took them back to the city. They put Androclus in the chains in a prisons. The lion was caged. And this was the page number 8. This was enough for the today's sessions. Next, page number 9 we will see tomorrow. Okay, thank you.